Hey, hello. Yeah, bro. I'm talking to you. You saw the thumbnail and rushed straight in, didn't you? Saw the title and thought to yourself, oh man, this is exactly what I've been looking for. I'll just lie around all day, cuddle my pillow, and boom, bags of money will just drop on my head from above. If you actually thought that, congrats. You belong to that special species of people who join a gym and then stand in front of the mirror looking for six-pack abs. But hold up. Don't skip this video, because today I'm going to teach you some get rich without grinding like a donkey hacks that, if you hear them, your neighbor, Uncle Sharma, the guy who keeps telling you to study all day, might literally have a heart attack. Today's topic is how to rule in 2026. Not by grinding like a donkey, but by thinking like a fox. So grab some popcorn, or if you're already lying down, stay exactly where you are. Because hey, you're not planning to work anyway, right? Let's get started. Since childhood, a virus has been planted deep in our brains. That virus is hard work is the key to success. Bro, if hard work alone made people kings, then the king of the jungle wouldn't be a lion, it would be a donkey. What does a donkey do all day? Carries loads. And the lion sleeps 20 hours a day, chills for 2 hours, and in the remaining 2 hours, hunts in a way that feeds the entire family like it's a barbecue party. Now the question is, do you want to be a donkey or a lion? Take your friend Bolt, for example. Poor guy works 14 hours a day at the office, gets yelled at by his boss, and at the end of the month when he gets his paycheck, he realizes it only covers rent and internet. How's he supposed to treat his girlfriend to some street food? Now look at your other friend, Mr. Chowdhury. It looks like he just plays on his laptop all day and hangs out at coffee shops, but at the end of the month, boom, new bike, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you're thinking, this dude must be doing something shady. No, bro, he's not doing anything illegal. He's doing something smart. He understands that in 2025 to 2026, money doesn't come from sweating, it comes from thinking. Now you'll say, okay bro, enough jokes, tell me the real method. Listen carefully. The real formula for success without killing yourself with hard work is automation and leverage. Don't get scared by the words, I'll break it down simple. Let's say you know how to cook biryani. What does a hard-working person do? They go to the market, wash the rice, cook everything themselves, then carry the pot around selling it. At the end of the day, their back is broken and profit, maybe $5. But a smart person, lazy but clever, what do? They make a recipe video and upload it to YouTube. That's it, work done. Now they're sleeping, and the video is getting views, money is coming in, they worked once, but they're getting paid forever. That's called digital leverage. 2026 is coming, my friend. If you're still digging with a shovel like it's the 1900s, you're gonna turn into a fossil. This is the era of AI, artificial intelligence. Use ChatGPT to get work done. Use Midjourney to create images. Stop typing like a donkey. Use voice commands. Let me ask you a serious question. If you don't answer, it's a sin. That smartphone in your hand right now, what do you actually do with it all day? A, watch reels and waste time. B, stalk your ex. C, learn something new. Drop your answer in the comments, A, B, or C. Don't be shy. Most of us used to be in group B, but now it's time to change. Let me tell you a classic story with a little spice. Two friends, Hablo and Pablo, their village needed water from the top of a hill. Hablo said, I'm a real man. I'll carry buckets. Every day he runs up and down carrying water. His muscles grow, but at the end of the day, he collapses from exhaustion. Pablo, on the other hand, lazy but smart. He says, nah, I'm not doing that. For 6 months, he doesn't carry a single bucket. People laugh at him. Look at this lazy guy. But Pablo doesn't care. Secretly, he builds a pipeline from the bottom to the top. 6 months later, Pablo can't even move because of back pain. Pablo, he flips a switch. Water flows automatically. Now Pablo's chilling, watching Netflix and making money selling water. What did you learn from this? The best kind of work is the one you do once and get paid forever. Hablo equals active income. Pablo equals passive income. In 2026, being Hablo means you're basically sabotaging yourself. Now, some of you are thinking, bro, I can't build pipelines. I don't understand tech. And that's exactly the problem. You don't want to learn, you just want results. You don't want skills, but you want the salary of skilled people. That's like not knowing how to swim, but expecting to win Olympic gold. The biggest hack to reduce hard work is focus. Think about a magnifying glass. Sunlight alone doesn't burn paper, but when you focus it, boom, fire. Your energy is the same. Dig 10 holes, you get nothing. Dig one hole deep enough, you might hit oil. The problem is, we try to multitask and end up multi-failing. Headphones in your ears, phone in your hand, laptop open, and in your mind you're thinking, damn, The neighbor's daughter looked amazing today. Bro, you can't succeed like that. You need laser focus. Work 4 hours a day, but during those 4 hours, even if the world ends, you don't move. The other 20 hours, chill all you want. But listen carefully, 2026 is almost here. The world is going to split into two types of people. One group uses AI and technology and becomes the boss. The other group loses their jobs to AI. If you're still doing data entry in Excel, thinking you're hardworking, sorry to say, a software can replace you in 1 second. Then what will you eat? Air. So update yourself starting today. I'm from an arts background. I don't understand tech. That excuse doesn't work anymore. Money doesn't care about your degree. It cares about value. And right now, there's a new scam trend, manifestation. Some motivational speakers say, close your eyes, imagine a Ferrari in your garage, the universe will give it to you. Bro, if I close my eyes and imagine I'm the president of the United States, will the real president just hand me the chair? No. Dreaming is good, but without action, it's just fantasy. Success without hard work doesn't mean doing nothing. It means strategic action. There's a difference between a cockroach and a tiger. A cockroach runs around all day. A tiger picks a target, waits, positions itself, and one jump. Game over. You need to be the tiger. Now imagine, December 2026, your friends are stressed, getting yelled at by their bosses, posting sad statuses online, and you're lying on a beach in the Maldives, sipping coconut water, your phone buzzes, $5,000 credited. Why? Because back in 2025, you built smart systems instead of grinding like a donkey. You started a YouTube channel, or learned affiliate marketing, or started investing. This is not a fairy tale. This is pure mathematics. Time times skill equals money. Your time is limited, so increase your skills. If a machine can do it, let the machine do it. If someone else can do it, outsource it. You just use your brain. We're at the end of the video now. After all this talking, did anything actually go into your head, or did it just pass through one ear and out the other? Listen, life is not a rehearsal. No retakes, one shot only. Take a 7-day challenge, check your screen time. If you're spending 5 hours a day on social media, you're literally sabotaging yourself. Cut just 1 hour from that and use it to learn something new. If you liked this video even a little, or at least laughed at my rant, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it makes my heart happy. And if you don't subscribe, your phone battery will drain faster, your Wi-Fi will slow down, and your crush will block you. Just kidding, but seriously, subscribe. Our mission on this channel is to turn you from a donkey into a lion. See you in the next video. Until then, work smart and live lazy.
Okay, let's go.